Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And today we're going to make for you some on-chain. So make sure to watch everything and don't skip nothing. Watch everything because we're going to give you very highly information in that video. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet a subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord where we're giving free daily signals there. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, today the market, what it done here, it gave us here like a pin bar. Let's make it like that. What that indicating is indicating maybe we're going to fall down from here. And by the way, for people yesterday who are with me in my Telegram and my Discord channel, we enter from here long till here. We're taking profit today. The chart take profit today, it's happened. And here in the daily, what me I told you we got here like that. And down here, we do it like that. That's how we're doing those things together. I told you we got here a wage. So till now that wage hasn't been broken above here for us to thinking of to enter long. So here in the daily, it's still very early. And tomorrow when the weekly candle finished, I'm going to tell you why I'm still saying it's still very early for long term. So make sure to watch even tomorrow video. So now here at that level where we are, should we enter short? No. Should we enter long? No. Because still now also we still stuck between the 200 moving average and the 50 and the 100 in the top. Let me show it to you. As you see it, guys. You see it or no? You remember when we used to be stuck here? Same thing now. Also, we are stuck here between the 50 and 100 and the 200 moving average. And here, the 50 moving average is crossing below the 100. What that indicating? It's indicating that the market is going to fall down. And yesterday, I told you maybe we're going to touch the 50 moving average here, like how we touch it here. And from that, it is going to give us another low, because if I show you yesterday what I told you here, I told you we got here a very clear down channel like that. Yes or no? So maybe we're going to go back up to touch here, then from there it's going to fall down. People, they been with us we buying from here 20% from that level, and we said when we're going to touch here 200 moving average, we're going to buy 50%. So till now there is nothing yet, guys. Don't let people to mislead you. Remember that. Till now there is nothing yet here for long term. For long term, also we still in a downtrend here. As you see, it very clear. Everything is too clear, guys. So now let's go into see the on-chain data we got for you today. So let's go in there. Here we are at the first one, that one every time I analyze it for you, his name Bitcoin funding rate. People they been with us, they remember it. But if you just came now, also we said it like that. We got here like a level here. And look with me, the only times when we break it above is here and here and here. That wins the times they spike the volume. And if you came down, you see those ones the times when the Bitcoin is jumping up like here and all those times. Now us here we are in a downtrend, so there is no time it's pushing up. So till now it's still very early for us to thinking of to enter long here. That for medium term, guys. So everything is too clear. Second one, let me show it to you. Second one is that one, his name Stock Flow. That one, people they've been with me have been follow it for thousands of times now. So that one, as you see it, every time when the color become blue like that or dark blue like that or very close to purple, it's indicating us we are very close to the halving cycle and to the bottom. The halving cycle, as you see it, is going to be at 2024. That means also we are very close to it. So for long-term investors and those ones they don't want to buy in one go, just they say you are very close. Just they say. And also we're putting for you the on-chain analysis once a week. So make sure to watch everything. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go in to see the chart one, what it's saying today. The chart one is it that one here, MVRV Z score. That one, even that one analyze it for you. That one is telling us we came out from the bottom as I showed it to you before, like here, like here. So now let's wait in that one to go back up to touch here the overbought area for us to take the profit, guys. That one is telling us we came out from the oversold area. Now let's see if it's going to fall down again to touch here that level here, because if you see the last time it came back and touched it here in that level here, exactly here. If you see it, came back, we touch it there. Now let's see if we are going to go back to touch it here. Then from there is we are going to go back up. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Over here, yesterday video we told you here we are going to enter long here based on the break here, the one here when it's breaking here, and look at it, it's still going up. Now for the people they enter long at this time, they need to start protecting themselves, because also we are here in a very stronger pivot here and a very stronger supply and demand zone. But also we said the take profit for that one maybe it's going to be here at that level here of 27k. So till now we haven't go more up here to touch it here. And I show you even here in yesterday video a price action like that, very clear price action here like that. I told you we got here a megaphone. That megaphone, it hasn't getting blocked here. That's for the people they haven't entered. People they enter from down here. Now they need to protect themselves, because as I show you here, look at it here. If you came to the top of that one here and here, also we got here a very stronger level. Till now we haven't break it above to go up to the second one. So guys, try to protect yourself. That's the only thing I can tell you. For the people that enter for swing trading, try to protect yourself. At this time, that the only price actions we have there here. We're going to wait in if there is any price action or something here. Now here the market, he tried to give us high low, but there is no momentum to push up. But that normal Saturday and Sunday, the market is always being flat here. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into our indicator to see where we are today. Our indicator, guys, you remember us, we told you here down, we got here a divergence. That way we enter long. We break here. Now us, we are here. Where is the bulls? They controlling. There is no bears yet. Today we've been waiting to enter long or short, but there is no signal today, because as I tell it to you, even today in my Telegram and my Discord, I told you the market is flat. That's what it's showing here. Market is very flat today. There is no volume, no momentum. That's why I don't give you any signal. And also we still waiting what's going to come today, because today me always I know today there is a huge move going to come and we're going to benefit from it, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, as you see it, I tell it to you from oversold area. Also we are going to go to overbought. Over here the color of it started getting green here, as you see it. But as I told you yesterday, also we got here the down channel here, that one. Till now we haven't touched the top of it here, as you see it, but we are very close. We are going to go touch the top of it, and the take profit for that signal we give you is it here. So everything's still looking great, and that one it hasn't entered here to the overbought area. But me, I told you guys, try to protect yourself now, because you don't know what's going to happen. The only thing, if we break in here, that level here, yes, you need to enter long again. But that one also we are waiting for it, because if we break in here, also we are going to break even in the daily. So I think everything is too clear here. We don't need to make the video too long, guys. Now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes you. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, share the video if you could. Support us, guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. You done it. Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, me have been waiting here all the whole day. That signal here, that one here, try to give me here like a megaphone or a channel here. I've been waiting to get broken here to enter short. Till now it hasn't getting broke, and now here, look at it here. If you came here to that level here, that one here like that, and you came to those ones like that, we got here a very clear symmetric triangle now. Now if that one getting broke down here, we are going to enter short. If it getting broke above here, also we are going to enter long. If it doesn't, there is nothing. And me personally now I prefer to enter short, and I'm going to tell you why I prefer to enter short. Let me show you why. Me I prefer to enter short. First thing, our indicator is here at the overbought area, but not based on that one. Let me show you why exactly me I prefer to enter short at this time. Based on that one, guys. If you see here, we got a very clear divergence here that indicating the market is going to reverse, but also now we're still waiting that price action I just show you here in that place here. Let me show it to you again. You came here to that one here, to those ones down here, and you do it like that. You see it how I draw it, and you came to the top of those ones and you do it like that. And you waiting the market where it's going to be broken. If it's we're breaking down, enter short, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please guys make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it. Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.